Hello my dear student, today we are going to discuss about the chapter direct and indirect speech, and in this topic we also going to learn about the interrogative sentence. It means how can we change interrogative sentence of direct speech into the indirect speech. Okay, and before the starting this topic I will also say that to how can we change the pronoun word. Okay, pronoun word according to their subject object. Okay, so first we give a sentence and try to how can I change the pronoun word according to their subject and object. Okay, so let's look here. He said to you, comma, dotted comma. Okay, here is the subject I went to school. It is a small little example. Okay, and in this example you can see that here is the reporting verb. It is the reporting verb and rest of the part will be reported speech. Okay, in the reporting verb you can see this part is the subjective part, this part is a subjective part, and this part is the objective part. Okay, and here in the reported speech you can see that here this part is the subjective part of the sentence. So you will interchange of the pronoun word according to their subject and object. First, have you remember that about the pronoun chapter? In the pronoun chapter, you have to read about the topic personal pronoun. Okay, in the personal pronoun, you have learned about the first person, second person, and third person. First person, second person, and third person. In first person, you have to learn I and we is the first person subject, you is the second person subject, and he, she, it, and they are the third person subject. Where if in the reported speech we have to get first person of the subject. It means we have to get I or we. Okay, I or we. Then this subject change according to the object. How can it will be changed? Look here. He told you. This is simply if the object is present here, then we can change said to into the told. Okay. If the object is not here, if the object is not present here, then we can easily write down he said that. Okay. But object is here, then we can write down here old or told. Okay. And if we this is the present tense of the any part, then we can tell is not told, it will be tells. Okay, so it will be he told you. You remove the comma and noted comma and add with that condition. Okay, add with that condition, and then this is the subject of the reported speech, and we can change this pronoun word according to the subject. You can see here that here the subject he, here the subject he, and here the subject I. So we can change first person according to the subject. According to the subject. Okay. So its subject is he. So we put down here he subject. Okay. Here is the he. So we can not write down here I. It will be he according to the subject, and tense is past indefinite tense, so we can change it past perfect tense. He had gone to school. Okay, clear? If the subject is first person, it means if in place of subject, we can find out I or we, then we can change it according to the subject. If the subject is I and here is the subject he, so we can change, we can make it in the third form, third person. Okay, we can make it or change it into the third person. And if the subject is we, then we can also change into the third person as a they. Okay, in place of he, we put the they subject if the subject is here we. Clear? And if the subject is you, okay, then how can we change in an objective form? So look here, if the subject is you went to school. Okay, so you can see that here is the subject, second person, and we can change the subject according to the object. Okay, it means this second person change according to the object. Clear? So subject is you and here is the object you. Okay, so we cannot change this subject like this. He told you that you had gone to school. Okay, if the object is here me, object is here me, then we can change this you. Why? We can change this you according to the object and it will be I. Okay, why? Because the me is the objective word and its subjective word will be I. Clear? So as we can also change the first person and second person according to the subject. Okay, now we can know how to change the third person. Okay, if here is the third person like he or they or anything, we can put down here they. Okay, here is the word they is the subject. Okay, then we cannot change. Okay, we cannot change of the subject of reporting word, so no change. Okay, so we put down here they. Okay, he told you that they had gone to school. Here is the object. If object is anything like a first person or second person or third person, there is no effect of the subject of the reported speech. We can simply use that had mentioned in the reported speech. Clear? So write down here they as no changing. So it is the formula became S-O-N. S-O-N. First person change according to the subject, second person change according to the object, and third person change according no change. Okay? It's clear? Now how we can change the sentence into the interrogative sentence? Okay? How can we change the direct speech into the interrogative sentence? So I will take a example of the direct speech like it. He said, comma, inverted comma. Okay? Do you live in Gorakhpur? Okay, it is the place. Okay, so he said, comma, inverted comma, do you live in Gorakhpur? So you can see that here the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Okay, so how can we change it if the reported speech into the interrogative sentence? Firstly, we can change the verb. Okay, we have to change reporting verb as a asked, inquired or questioned. Okay, we can change it as a asked. He asked. Okay, not we will write down said, okay, it will be changed into the asked of the reporting verb. So he asked, and after that we have used the conjunction word that, okay, no that, it not be, it will be that. Why? Because here is the interrogative sentence, we can use if or whether, okay, we simply use if or whether if the reported speech is interrogative sentence. So we can use here if, okay, if, and after that we can use the rule of indirect speech that have learnt before. So you is changed according to the object. So you will write down here he, okay, he. After that live, it will be changed into the past tense. Then it will be lived in Gorakhpur. Okay. Simply we use said into we can change the said into the asked. Okay. It is the why, because this statement asks a question. So it will be asked, and after that remove the comma and inverted comma and write down if, okay, if, and then we can change the subject of the reported speech according to the object. So we have to write down here he, okay, and then lived is the simple past tense. Why? Because it is the simple present tense sentence, okay. So we can change it into the past tense, and after that write down another one, okay. It is the simple method to change interrogative sentence of the direct speech into the indirect speech. Clear? And if the direct speech has a interrogative word like he said to me, comma, in inverted comma, why is he running on the road, okay. So you have to see that here is the reported speech into the interrogative sentence, okay. It is the interrogative sentence, and here is the subject and object, and in the when we change the interrogative sentence in indirect speech, then we can use in a reporting word as a asked, inquire or another word. So we can change it said to into the asked, okay, me. It is the object of the reporting word, and if the interrogative word started with the helping word, we can use here if or whether. But if the reported speech started with the interrogative word, then we cannot use the interrogative in interrogative sentence if or whether if they are given interrogative word. So we can use this word as a conjunction word. So write down here why, and rest of the word we can change into the next part. It means it is the continuous tense, present continuous tense. Then we can change it into the past continuous tense. And we have to change in a simple, it means assertive sentence. Okay. So here is the third form. So no change it, and here is the is. So we can change into the past form, and after that write down all the words that mentioned in the sentence and put the question mark, remove the inverted comma. Okay. So you have seen that here the sentence he said to me, why is he running on the road? And in this sentence we can change the reporting verb. Okay, we will change the reporting verb as a asked if the object is here or not. Okay, we can change it in a asked, and after that if the interrogative word given in the reported speech, we make this interrogative word as a conjunction word, and then use the interrogative word in a assertive sentence. So here the third person should not change in the subject, and it is the present continuous, and present continuous change into the past continuous. So it will be was, and after that running on the road. Okay. So we have to learn about the interrogative sentence. How can we change the interrogative sentence of the direct speech into the indirect speech, and also learn how to interchange of the pronoun word. Okay, I hope everyone understand this topic, and thank you for the watching video.